On this project in particular, we have a very unique problem. You see this item right here where we are proposing that the shower is going to go? Remember we talked about it going here and this whole corner over here, or over here in this whole corner? Well, all of this has to come out. And for this to come out, if it's going to go here, this has to be moved. And this is actually an air duct or an HVAC return duct, which actually sucks the return air from the floor downstairs. Now downstairs, underneath here, we'll go down and we'll take a look, but it's right in the middle of the hallway. If we were gonna put the shower over here, easy enough, but we still have to make room for our commode here. So either way, this has to come out. If we're gonna move that, we could possibly move that back, but that would put it into the bathroom downstairs, and I'll show you in a second. Another thing that we can consider doing is this area completely right underneath here is a hallway leading to the ceiling notch here. So we could find a way to move that vent and run it under the floor here, and then just have it go down through the ceiling down here some kind of way.